now. So from here, what you want to do, you want to go to Google, you go to BP proxy switcher. You click BP proxy switcher. You go to add to Chrome. You click add extension. After you add the extension, you want to click this puzzle piece, and you want to click this little thumbtack. So once that's clicked, you click over here for BP proxy switcher. No, you're not in the right thing. That's not BP proxy switcher, by the way. All right, so once you have this here, you're gonna open this and you're gonna paste your proxies. I mean, I'm just gonna put a random one in there right now. It's obviously not a real proxy. So then you click this right here, and if it's a real proxy, then what you'll do is, then you'll go to Nike.com/launch, and then once you go to Nike, I'm recording it for everyone, Oscar. Once you go to Nike.com/launch, that is when you will be going to your account settings for the account by clicking right here. And then from the account settings, what I do to make it easy, I just take off the last thing from the account email. And then I just click save. And then I just click save.